Big breaking news out of Bloomberg this weekend. They recently posted this article titled, "Lucid Motors is set to near deal to go public via Klein's SPAC." What's most interesting in this article is that their sources actually told them that a deal could be announced on Tuesday. But Bloomberg also reveals that the deal could be valued at up to $15 billion. So what does this all mean? Is it all smooth sailing from here? We will be discussing the pros and cons that were revealed in this Bloomberg article and whether or not this should give you any new concerns on your positions. So let's jump right into it. Hello everyone, this is Mark with MC Stocks. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. And as always, remember to do your own due diligence when investing and seek a financial advisor for professional advice. So let's first recall how much of an influence Bloomberg has had over this LUCID CCIV merger bull run. They were the first to report that the two companies were in talks all the way back on January 11th, officially starting the huge uptrend lasting all the way to the present. Since then, the Bloomberg terminal has posted update statuses causing further spikes in the stock price. Here's one example Bloomberg terminal update where they declared that the merger deal was proposed and that several of the initial Lucid Motors investors have sold off their stake. More recently, Bloomberg also updated their terminal to include the information published by Reuters, claiming that the deal was near closing at a $12 billion valuation, and that CCIV will sell shares through a PIPE transaction to raise $1 billion. And with all of these pushes by Bloomberg towards a higher likelihood that a merger will actually follow through, we've seen CCIV's stock price rocket up from about $10 to all the way up to about $60. As of this weekend, Bloomberg may be the ones to wrap up the story. Earlier today, we published this post with a screenshot of the new Bloomberg article shortly after it was released, stating that the LUCID CCIV merger deal could be announced on Tuesday. So be sure that you're subscribed to our channel so that you don't miss out on our posts regarding breaking news like this. Many were expecting a deal on Monday, giving the Merger Monday precedent for SPACs to typically announce mergers on a Monday. But nonetheless, a merger deal officially being announced sounds like a clear win in our book. An announcement on Tuesday still falls within the timeline we published in our previous videos for when we could expect the announcement to occur. Do keep in mind though that this is not an actual confirmation that they will make the announcement on Tuesday. Even Bloomberg gives a disclaimer in their article stating that the talks are still ongoing but could still fall apart. Either way, the fact that they are in talks raises the likelihood that they will eventually merge. So all of this sounds like positive news. Where are the downsides? Well, some are considering the fact that Bloomberg states in their article that the combined entity could be valued at $15 billion as opposed to the $12 billion reported by Reuters in their article is a negative. But why would a higher valuation be bad news? The argument here is that the higher the starting valuation for Lucid is, the less room it has to grow in the future. In other words, you want to own Lucid Motors when it is as low of a valuation as possible so that you can continue owning it when it reaches higher valuations. Likewise, the higher the valuation is, the harder it would be to justify the price tag given, since Lucid has not yet delivered their vehicles. So with Bloomberg publishing in their most recent article that the valuation could be up to $15 billion, this may be taken negatively by those who are jumping in with Reuters' reported $12 billion valuation. However, we should notice that Bloomberg has repeatedly been saying in their publications since the beginning that the valuation could be as much as $15 billion. If anything, they've just been consistently reporting the same upper limit estimation for the combined entity. Will this repetition of a $15 billion valuation be taken negatively by the market? Possibly, but a $3 billion difference is most likely greatly outweighed by the fact that Lucid would be officially going public through CCIV. The news would be taken much worse, however, if they announce a valuation greater than $15 billion. Some of the large institutions owning large quantities of CCIV may severely disagree with a higher anticipated valuation and let go of their positions. But we will have to wait and see what the two companies agree upon if and when they announce the merger. However, we should still be cautious though. Bloomberg states in their article their sources told them that the announcement could be made on Tuesday. But this is not an official confirmation that it will happen on Tuesday. And now, with many investors expecting it to occur on Tuesday, we can expect some extreme volatility if nothing gets announced by Tuesday. We especially need to be wary of the larger institutions deciding to sell large portions off as they may have done on Friday, where we saw a sudden 11% drop off in minutes. Expect some wild volatility this week with CCIV stock before and after Tuesday, regardless if a merger deal gets announced. But remember to do your own due diligence and invest only what you're willing to risk. If you're looking to buy shares of CCIV and need a brokerage, be sure to use our referral links for M1 Finance in the description below. M1 Finance is doing a great offer currently where you could get a free $30 using a referral link. So use the link below, earn an easy $30, and don't miss out. Good luck everyone with your holdings, and stay tuned on our channel for any news regarding this LUCID CCIV merger. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we release our next video. Please like and share for more videos similar to this one, and comment below with any questions that you may have so that we can address them in future videos. Thanks.